Hey there. Today I'm working on my turbocharged Integra, and we're going to turn the rear washer jet into an intercooler sprayer. Stay tuned. It's a pretty straightforward install. Things you're going to want is spare washer fluid tubes, obviously much more than this. You're going to want a one-way check valve, so that when you activate the jets, it doesn't venturi affect all the washer fluid out of your bottle. You're also going to want a divider between the two washer nozzles, and two washer nozzles, which I may have jumped the gun and already put on. I'll show you in a second here. Unfortunately, I already put the nozzles in before I started recording, but all you really missed out is me drilling two holes into the lip there, placing the nozzles in, and getting a line right in between the two. It's fairly straightforward because there's a lot of room underneath the bumper, and as soon as you have the line in place, you can start running it along and go towards the washer pump. Now there's a real easy way to tell which motor does which by disconnecting the line and spraying. As you can tell by the amount of water on the floor, I did just that. If you want to skip that process, the rear motor here is for the rear washer. So should be like that for all the Integras. Anyways, if you follow the line up, just go right near the top of the washer bottle, give it a chop right there, install your one-way check valve, and then continue with the line. Should be pretty straightforward. I couldn't get any clips of me routing the washer line. There's no room to record, so I have it going from the pump up to the check valve. Just make sure the arrow is pointing towards the washer nozzle. Down, around, following the bumper, comes just beside the charge pipe before popping back out through this little hole here. Right across, then you can see where I have the T-connect here to one washer and the other. So let's give it a spray and see how well it works. For such a cheap little install, that actually works really well. I'm gonna monitor the intake temps on the Honda and see if it does something, but till next time, thanks for watching.